Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're navigating the world of digital banking in 2025, you might be wondering how to seamlessly withdraw money from your Revolut account straight to your TD Bank. Don't worry, I'm here to break it down step by step, making it super simple and stress-free. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, like enhanced security and faster processing times, so let's dive right in. First off, ensure you've got the most up-to-date Revolut app on your phone. Open it up and log in using your fingerprint, Face ID, or password. Security is key in 2025. Once you're logged in, head to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually right on the home screen for easy access. Next, select Bank Transfer as your transfer method. If you haven't added your TD Bank details before, you'll need to do that now. Enter your TD Bank account number and routing number carefully. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any delays or issues. Revolut will prompt you to verify these details, so take a moment to confirm. Now, input the amount you want to withdraw. You'll see any potential fees displayed up front, which is a great new feature in 2025 to help you plan better. For instance, international transfers might have a small fee, but domestic ones are often free. Before finalizing, Revolut will require a second layer of verification, like a one-time code sent to your phone or a biometric scan. This keeps your money safe from any unauthorized access. Once verified, hit confirm, and you're all set. The transfer typically takes 1 to 3 business days, but with 2025's improvements, it could be as quick as a few hours. Keep an eye on your Revolut app for updates and check your TD Bank account once it's done. And there you have it, easy peasy. Withdrawing from Revolut to TD Bank is now more efficient than ever. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.